Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to unbox the Artisan KnitCrate for October 2018, and like I said in my Euro membership, it didn't come in the nice cardboard box this time. It just came in this bubble wrap envelope, which is fine because the most important thing is what's inside. So we can go ahead and see. We're going to bring out the first the booklet, and yeah, this is the booklet, exactly the same as the KnitCrate. So I think what KnitCrate started doing is make these booklets for all the memberships, which is amazing because you get all the patterns and, you know, the wool for the one you're paying. So for example, I have my usual membership and I got the Odin wool, which makes a crochet pattern and a knitted pattern. They're both shawls, but you also get extra patterns in here, and I find that even better because you pay your membership, you get the wool, and you also get, I think, 6 patterns or something, 6 or 7 patterns, which is amazing. I mean, wow. KnitCrate are just doing more and more every month, and I love the booklet. As you can see, you get all the patterns in here, information about all the wool that you get, the designers, the dyers and everything. And for the Artisan KnitCrate, I think you have 2 patterns. The first frost, if I'm right, this would be the pattern for the Artisan, and it's kind of like a cape. I wish I had this for my wedding because I made like a cardigan to go on top of my wedding dress, but this is really nice. I could have done this instead. Anyway, I still love the one I did. And you can make a hat, diamond lace hat, for this hat. You can't see it very much, but I'm sure you can see more pictures on their Ravelry page. But let's go ahead and see what's inside the wool. So you get 2 skeins. This is the Artisan membership. You get 2 skeins, your patterns. Whoa. I feel like this month was the month of like really light colors, because the other one is like a light blue and this is like a light purple, and it's called Elf Merino. 100% extra fine NSW. I don't know what that means. Merino, 288 yards per 100 gram. This is 100 gram. Hand wash cold, lay flat, so it's not super wash. You get the Dialogue brushed steel. I think that's the color. Brushed steel. Yarn Fairy and the Pixies. Whoa, I really like this. And it's so soft. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. So you could do the cape with this or hat. And for the hat, I'm pretty sure you can do 2 hats with this wool. Let me just check. The hat. Yeah. One skein you use for a hat. So you can do 2 hats. You can do a hat for you and you can do a hat for your friend. And there you go. One Christmas present sorted. But I love this. This is amazing. The other thing about the Artisan KnitCrate, you pay a bit more, so you pay $34.99, but you get 2 skeins, lots of patterns like we discussed, and you get an extra, and I don't know what the extra is. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, it's the Chaigu needles. Whoa, these are not cheap to get them as an extra in the KnitCrate. But wow, this is unbelievable. What size is? This is 4.5. I heard such good things about this Chaigu needles. I haven't got a pair, so this is like perfect because I can try them on, see if I like them, and then maybe get the set. I did look at the set, obviously, but it's not cheap. Not cheap at all. Let's look at the needles. Whoa, they're very, very pointy, very light, a lot lighter than my Knit Pros. The cable is really long, but I heard this cable is the one that doesn't oh, how do I say it? I can't, my brain, sorry. It doesn't bend, so even if you bend it like this and keep it like this for a month in your project bag, it will not stay like that. It will just come back to, you know, this, which is amazing. It has like a metal inside covered. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if you can see. Sorry about the lighting. So it's metal cord covered in plastic. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I put this. No. Well, the sunshine. I'm not complaining because it's getting colder now. But they're very pointy. Very, very pointy. Which I think are going to be very helpful for lace. But yeah, this is the Artisan KnitCrate for October 2018. You get a lot of stuff for your money. One of these skeins is probably, I don't even know, 20, 30 pounds or something. Let's see if I can find that information in the booklet. I think this is it. Yeah, so for one skein you pay $17.50. You get 2 skeins, so do the maths, plus 6 patterns, plus these beautiful needles. And I think these needles, they retail for at least $10, if not more than that. But you get that as well in your membership. Whoa, just unbelievable. I am so happy with this month's Artisan KnitCrate. Don't forget, if you want to get 20% off your first order, you can use my code TEO20 and you can join membership whenever you want. You can pause it, you can stop it, you can change your membership to a different one. I have the KnitCrate, the original KnitCrate, which sends me wool and pattern, and I also have the Artisan KnitCrate that gives you wool, patterns and extras. And I love this month's extras. I'm so happy with them. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.